going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing if GOOGAN baits actually work. Are they worth it? I'm going to be trying that out today and see if I can make something happen, guys. Hopefully we can. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Lately it's been kind of rough, but hopefully we can make it happen, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I've about made it to the first spot of the day. I apologize for the wind in advance. It's pretty windy today. I mean, I can manage it, but it might be a little bad for the audio, so I apologize for that. This is the perfect time to try and catch a fish or try and test if these GOOGAN baits are really worth it. This week the fishing has been off. I have barely been getting any bites, barely been catching any fish, so this is time to really put it to the test. I'm going to be using a black and blue bandito bug to start off with, so hopefully we can land some fish and make it happen today, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button for future videos. I would really appreciate it. It would help out a ton, guys. But without further ado, guys, let's get to catching some fish. All right, guys, so I'm going to be starting off right here. Usually I don't catch fish in this area specifically. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be fishing all areas today with these GOOGAN baits and really testing them out, see if they're actually worth it, guys. Personally, right now I can tell you I think they're worth it. They're a little pricey, but I love what they've done with the baits, just the scent and all the detail they've put into it. I've used other baits, and whenever something's not working, I switch up to GOOGAN baits and it always seems to pan out, guys, and always seems to work. So in my opinion, as of right now, I think they're worth it, but today is really gonna put them to the test. Like I said, this week has been pretty bad in fishing and it's been pretty hard to get some bites. So we'll see if we can land some fish and really put these to the test, guys. I've made it to the juice. This is a spot where I always get bit no matter what bait I'm using. Hopefully I get a bite. I always get a bite here, guys. For some reason, one of my other videos, I did say that every time I fish here, I always end up getting a bite. And I think I figured out why. It's a deep drop off with some shade, and it's always shady here. I guess these fish just like to hang out here, and I don't know. So we'll see if we can catch a fish here, guys. No way I didn't get a bite. No way I didn't get a bite. Oh, there's a bite, guys. There's a bite. There we go. I told you guys, they're always in this area. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Not a bad one. I knew it. I knew there's always a fish right here, guys. Always. Just a matter of catching them. Not a bad fish, guys. First fish of the day. Wow, that feels pretty good, guys. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. See if we can catch another one, guys. All right, guys. I just saw a little smallmouth behind me, and I want to see if I can catch him. I just kind of spooked him away, but he spooked away pretty slow. Like, he wasn't that intimidated. No way, guys. I actually have him. I actually have him. I actually have him. And he freaking saw me. He saw me, guys. What is it? No, it's a largie, guys. It's a largie. Get the net, get the net, get the net. No way, no way. No way, guys. No freaking way. No way that just happened. Please tell me I'm recording. I've been recording for 31 seconds. What I did, that was the weirdest thing ever. I casted behind my back and I landed this fish. There's no way that just happened. Holy crap, guys. Second fish of the day. Nice skinny fish, probably close to a 2-pounder, guys. I've never caught a fish casting behind my back. Guys, these GOOGAN baits, they're amazing, guys. Holy crap. All right, guys, that was one crazy fish. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. All right, guys, let's see if we can catch any more. Oh, that was a bite. There we go, guys. Third fish of the day. Ah, he came off. No. I mean, I've already caught 2 fish. I cannot complain. That felt like a nice one, though. I can't be mad, guys. All right, let's keep fishing. That's a fish, guys. Is he running towards me? Please tell me he's running towards me. No. Guys, that was a decent one. He destroyed my bait, guys. Like, I'm not kidding you. My bait is all torn up. Holy crap, guys. That was a big fish. Yeah, he's not coming back. I guess we'll keep fishing, guys. Man, that one actually hurt me. Guys, time check is currently 7:01 in the afternoon. I started fishing at around, I think maybe 5 something. I've been fishing for a little bit now. Got in a few other bites. I did lose a huge fish there at a certain point. Guys, there's a fish behind me busting. I'm gonna cast my bait in there. See if I can land this fish. Half this time it doesn't work. The other half of the time it doesn't work. It never works. And there's a fish actually. There we go, guys. Third fish of the day. That actually worked. I'm surprised. I saw this fish busting and it worked. No freaking way. Half of the time it works, and like 10% of the time this actually works, guys. Not bad. Third fish of the day, another nice like 2-pounder or so. Not a bad fish, a little chunkier than the last one, but about the same size. Pretty good fish, guys. That was pretty crazy. I saw him bust, cast it in there, and I was able to land this fish, guys. Pretty good day so far, guys. Not a bad day. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. All right, everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total. I lost, I don't know how many, but I lost a big one in the process of catching those fish. Not a bad day at all, guys. In my opinion, guys, is it worth spending money on GOOGAN baits? I think it is. It's a pretty good bait, not gonna lie. It always seems to catch fish no matter what. So with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.